Some feather lashes can be very fragile, which makes it a little difficult to remove. So what I recommend is to get a hair dryer and blast it with warm air for a couple seconds just to soften the adhesive on the band. And instead of using our whole thumb, since it might pull off some of these delicate fibers, we're going to go in with our tweezers and gently nudge the lash band off of the tray. We still want to cover as much surface area as possible to minimize breakage, but since we can't actually tug on any of these feathers, just work until you can get a free edge off of the lash band, and once that's loose enough, go in with your fingers and try to grab as much of the lash band as possible and gently ease it off of the tray. As you can see, I'm being careful to never pull from further out than I need. This avoids the possibility of applying too much strain on any one portion of the lash band, which could result in damage. If you do end up breaking off a feather during removal, you can use any eyelash glue to secure that broken feather back onto the lash band, and you'll be good as new. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.